I saw a very interesting animal video. The cow immersed in grazing successfully starved Meng Jie. It turns out that the sound of cows eating grass can also be decompressed like this. So today, let's take a look at those relaxing animals. She mentioned. Help me. A white crow has a mutation chance of 1 in 30,000. Otter lunch break. Parrot paradise. Quantum entanglement. Kids, there's no one here. Let's go to the next one. Duckling. A family of 4 who have just had a full meal, sleeping comfortably in the snow. Because in winter, the next time they are full, it may be 10 days later. Buy it at 0 yuan. Elephants are getting ready to drink water on the beach. Elephants are like fake relatives. Elephants are drinking water. A happy guy walks by. Duck down to protect the body. Companions squeeze. Master beast. Discovered another high-value chicken. Amlock chicken? Whose dog is on the lawn? Son, will never eat your food free. Give me the material and you take it away. Practicing soaring in the north, they are experts in catching lizards. The scallop is trying very hard to escape. Shift time. Aircraft carrier at sea. Boss. Walking so fast they leave a trail of after images. The title of this video is yours. Rabbit through the 4 seasons. Ladybug spreads wings. I don't want to eat now. I want to bite. Happy donkey. really enjoy rainy days, because many bugs will appear on the ground after the rain. This is the perfect time for them to hunt. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye.